First of all, I thank you for giving me this opportunity. As an aspiring candidate, I bring a set of great skills and knowledge in the field of IT support, specifically in networking, operating systems like Linux, macOS, Windows, system administration and database management, and system security. I have gained all these skills through various projects during the course of my master's degree program at Carleton University, and also through various online courses provided by reputed organizations like Google, Intel, IBM, and Amazon Web Services. In my previous jobs as network support engineer trainee and customer service representative, I have displayed customer focused capabilities to provide timely and knowledgeable support to all my customers and clients. I've also shared my technical expertise with various old people, helping them to understand the various aspects of the modern technologies and software, thus helping them to get started with it. In this role, as a technical expert brings a new challenge to deal and understand various old people having varied digital competency. However, I strongly believe that my passion to learn and progressively grow, combined with my problem solving skills, communication and interpersonal skills, and the attention to detail I possess, will certainly create an immediate positive impact within this role and within the organization. If you hire me, I assure you that I'll quickly get up to speed in the role and start contributing towards the organization's objective, and so that you see a positive immediate return in
Hello
your
everyone.
investment. In this video lecture, we will see how to set up a Zoom meeting. For that, first go into your browser and say Zoom download, and then you hit the first link, download center, and you click on the download, and the Zoom download setup automatically begins. You just go through the setup, click next, and finish the setup, and you will see that the Zoom is being downloaded on your computer screen. And when you select, you will get a page like this, and you need to sign in through your email ID and password. This email can be either your Gmail or any other mail IDs. Once you are all set up, you will have this page, and to set up a Zoom meeting, you need to click on this option which says schedule. Once you click on that, you get a topic, which is the topic for your meeting. Let's say we want to discuss about the ice hockey game, ice hockey tournament maybe. So we hit that as our topic, or sorry, it's hockey, ice hockey tournament, and then the start date is Saturday, June 5, 2021. And let's say we need to start the meeting by 4 o'clock, so we set the time for 4 p.m. and let's say the duration is for 30 minutes. You can change it, like you can make it 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and you can even change the minutes to 15 minutes or 45 minutes according to your convenience. And then you can also select whether the meeting is gonna a repeat over the week or over the month. So if that is the case, you can check this box and you can set it as a recurring meeting. For now, we'll just leave it unchecked. Now you can also change the time zone. For since I'm in Canada, I have selected the Eastern time, US and Canada. But if you are in some other country, you can select the time zone depending upon the country you live in. Then there comes a meeting ID. Then there are two options now. You can use the personalized meeting ID, which will be constant ID, that is represented here, or else you can ask the system or the software to generate automatically a meeting ID. So in that case, every time you host a meeting, a new meeting ID will be created. And for security purposes, you need to enter a passcode. By default, I'll go with the by default, but you can customize it as per your requirements. And you can also check this box to keep an eye or keep track of the participants that are joining the meeting. Then you have video controls over here for the host and the participants, so you can keep them either on or off depending upon your convenience. However, every participant has a manual control over the video settings on their own screen and for their own softwares. So that is there. And when you go and run down to the advanced option, you can allow the participants to join anytime, so they can just use the meeting ID and passcode and join the meeting. You can mute participants upon entry so that they do not you know disturb the decorum of the meeting and do not disturb the speaker or the presenter of the meeting. Then you can automatically record the meeting if you want to keep the track of the meeting, and you can also approve or block entry of users from a specific country. For now, the last two options will not click, and then we just hit save. Once it's saved, it schedules a meeting, and there you go. You select your account and you allow them, and then you are just ready to go. It appears on your Google Calendar. Once you open your Zoom, you can see there's the ice hockey tournament, the new meeting. It has been scheduled for 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. because it was a 30 minutes duration. And if you want to invite people or participants to this meeting, you can simply go and hit this three dots over here, copy the invitation, and I'll just quickly open Notepad and I will show you how the invitation looks like. So I'll just copy the invitation here, and it says my name, the host, the presenter's name is inviting you to a meeting, the topic, that is the ice hockey tournament, time, date, the time zone, and this is the link that the participants will use in order to join the meeting, and then they will use the meeting ID and the passcode in order to be able to join the meeting. So this is a quick rundown on how we host a meeting on Zoom, and that's pretty much. I hope this video was helpful to you.